Hello, today I'll show you how to sort emails by date in Outlook. Step 1. Access the Sort menu. Open Microsoft Outlook and go to your inbox or a specific email folder, then click the sort icon with up-down arrow located above the email list. Step 2. Choose Sort By and Sort Order. In the menu that appears, choose how you want your emails to be sorted. Here, date sorts emails based on when they were received, which is what we want to achieve in this video. From sorts by the sender's name or email address, size arranges emails from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Importance prioritizes based on the importance flag. Subject sorts alphabetically by the subject line. When you sort by date, there are two sort order options. Oldest on top shows the earliest emails first, whereas newest on top shows the most recent emails first. Choose the sort type that fits your needs, whether you want to manage by time, sender, size, or subject. Your email list will now reflect your selected sort preference. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.